Today we're starting a new project on the Hammy. We are going to add a slide to it. The project is to rearrange this kitchen and then put a slide from here to here with cabinets all the way out to there. Okay, we're making our marks on the wall on the inside for the cut. This is finally gonna happen. What we did was we put a few pilot holes in, and then we're gonna go outside and make ourselves a line before we cut. Okay, so we have an outline of what we're gonna cut here and remove for the slide. Made marks. And there we go, we're ready to cut.
It's like opening a tin can.
We now have an open concept on our canned ham. No turning back now. Pretty easy to cut. Yeah, so now the work begins. Yeah, not that bad to cut it up. There we are. So now we replaced all the wood with a metal, strong metal frame that we're gonna weld together. Okay, we are getting ready to weld our second side for our frame. It's got the bracket that's going to hold the slide. We got this side done right now. You can see. And that's attached across to the other side. Alright, we've got our brackets welded onto our frame. It's looking really nice. And we're going to be able to attach our slides there, down there. Yep, show them how that'll attach right up there. So when we were figuring out how to put the slide in and taking a look at the frame underneath, we decided that this guy, after 50 some years, is going to need a little help on the frame structure. So what we did was we added metal to each one of the frame pieces, and it really straightened this guy out. It was kind of sagging, so this was something that needed to be done before we put a bunch of weight and add in the slide. We have got all 5 slides attached. We are ready to start framing in the wall. We are cruising along with the project. We are starting to frame out the slide. And we've got our metal for the outside. We got 24 gauge paintable, ready to paint steel. My dad's cutting that right now. And it's time to close this guy in. Close to getting done with the slide. We're insulating. And we're about to put the outside sheet on. It's a lot easier to do this while the sheet's off. Get the glue on the backside, piece everything together, and then we'll throw our we got 2 more sheets to throw on. Got the sides done and the roof, and now the wall. We got the side on complete. It cinches up really nice. And that is our slide all pushed all the way in with a couple inch overlap, and then we'll insulate that. Put a nice flange on there. Yeah, go for it. Pushes out pretty nice right now without, you know, maybe a little adjustments, but right now it slides really well. One person can push it and push it back in. There we are. So we finished the outside pretty much. We still have some things to do as far as sealing the slide, but now we're going to start on the inside cabinets. We've got it all insulated with foam board, and now we're going to start basically just putting the walls up and framing in our cabinet area.